Hello! Today we are making dipped Oreo daisies and candy butterflies. Pour melted candy coating into a butterfly cookie cutter on parchment paper, making sure it spreads all the way to the edges. Then decorate it with some pretty sprinkles. Using a small brush, make the butterfly head and add the eyes. I used small candy coating bits for the body, but you can also make them with a brush and candy coating. Add a cute little smile. After the candy is dried, carefully pull the cookie cutter away from the candy coating. Using candy coating and a brush, paste the head and body onto the wings. Using a small brush, put candy coating in the center of the Daisy Oreo mold. Pour just enough candy coating to cover the petals about 1/4 inch. Tap on the counter to make sure it spreads evenly. Add an Oreo, gently press it, and cover with more candy coating. Tap on the counter to make sure it spreads evenly. Let them dry about 30 minutes in the fridge and pop them out when they're done. And there you have it, they're beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. And for all things creative, delicious, and fun, please subscribe to my channel.